selected in the 19th century by Andy Irvine on a field trip through the jungles of Tipperary. He met this old woman and learned this song from her. It's a song called The Little Drummer, which relates the horrible story of the poor drummer who was in love with the aristocratic lady, and he wished to marry her, but of course she turned him down, so he threatened to shoot himself, and she relented and gave in, and he had his way. So the song has a happy ending. You'll be glad to hear.
Summer's morning, both gallant and gay, 24 ladies went out on the quay, and a regiment of soldiers that did pass them by. A drummer and one of them soon caught his eye. He went to his comrade and to him did say, 24 ladies I saw yesterday. Oh, and one of them ladies, she has me heart won, and if she denies me, I'm surely undone. Then go to this lady and tell her your mind. Tell her she's wounded to your poor heart inside. Go and tell her she's wounded to your poor heart full sore. And if she denies you, what can she do more? So early next morning this young man arose, dressed himself up in a fine suit of clothes, with a watch in his pocket and a cane in his hand. Saluting the ladies, he walked down the strand. He went up to her and he said, pardon me, ladies, for making so free. On me fine honour to lady, I have me heart won, and if you deny me, I'm surely undone. Be off, little drummer, now what do you mean? For I'm the Lord's daughter of Christy. Oh, I'm the Lord's daughter that's honoured, do you see? Be off, little drummer, you're making too free. And he bade her farewell, said I'll send him a soul down to heaven or hell, for with this long pistol that hangs by my side, oh, I'll put an end to me own dreary life. Come back, little drummer, and don't take it ill, for I do not want to be guilty of sin, to be guilty of innocent blood for to spill. Come back, little drummer, I'm here at your will, and we'll hire a car and to Banshee we'll go. There we'll be married in spite of our foes, oh, for what can they say when it's over and done? But I fell in love with the roll of the other own.